1. 7 underrated high-protein foods for muscle growth and healthy living. 2. 7 easy high-protein meals to boost your health. 1. 7 underrated high-protein foods for muscle growth and healthy living. Protein is the powerhouse of nutrients, essential for muscle repair, weight management, and overall vitality. Yet, many of us fall into a rut, recycling the same protein sources day in and day out. But here's where it gets controversial. There are several high-protein foods that are often overlooked, but could rejuvenate your meals and meet your nutritional goals with flair. Let's dive into 7 such underrated protein heroes that you might not be incorporating into your diet yet. First on the list is canned tuna. It's not just a pantry staple. With about 25 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, it's a powerhouse for protein seekers, especially on those hectic days when time is of the essence. Next, consider kefir, a tangy fermented milk drink. Not only does it offer about 10 grams of protein per cup, but it also brings a wealth of probiotics that aid in digestion and enhance gut health. Then there's seitan, a fantastic choice for those following a plant-based diet. Derived from wheat gluten, it offers a meaty texture and packs about 21 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. Egg whites are another excellent option. Each egg white delivers approximately 3.6 grams of protein with no fat, making them ideal for crafting low-calorie, protein-rich meals. If you're looking for a red meat alternative, bison is your go-to. It provides about 22 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving and is leaner and richer in iron than beef. Don't overlook pumpkin seeds either. These little seeds are not only crunchy and delicious, but also provide about 7 grams of protein per ounce, along with essential minerals like magnesium and zinc. Lastly, anchovies, small yet mighty, offer about 17 grams of protein per 3.5-ounce can. They are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and can add a burst of umami to your dishes. Integrating these foods into your diet isn't just about hitting protein targets, it's about enriching your meals. Start your day with egg whites or kefir for a protein-packed breakfast. For lunch, toss canned tuna or seitan into your salads for a fulfilling meal. Consider bison as a healthier alternative to beef for your dinner recipes, and snack on pumpkin seeds or blend them into your smoothies for an extra nutrient kick. Elevate your pasta dishes with anchovies for a flavorful protein boost. Why should you care about diversifying your protein sources? Each protein-rich food offers unique nutrients that support various aspects of health. For instance, while kefir enhances gut health, pumpkin seeds provide vital minerals, and bison is a great source of B vitamins and iron. This variety not only helps maintain a balanced diet, but also keeps mealtime exciting and sustainable. And this is the part most people miss. A varied protein intake is crucial not just for nutritional balance, but also for keeping your diet interesting and enjoyable. What are your thoughts on integrating these underrated protein sources into your diet? Have you tried any of them, or do you stick to the usual suspects? Share your experiences, and let's discuss the best ways to keep our meals both nutritious and exciting. 2. 7 easy high-protein meals to boost your health. Tired of the same old protein-packed meals? Here's your ultimate guide to delicious high-protein eating that won't leave you in a culinary rut. Meeting your daily protein goals doesn't have to mean endless chicken dinners or constant egg dishes. Let's explore 7 smart, dietitian-approved strategies for creating satisfying high-protein meals when you're short on time and creativity. First, let's understand what makes a meal truly high-protein. According to registered dietitian Andy DeSantis, it should deliver at least 1/3 of your daily protein needs. For someone targeting 100 grams daily, that means about 33 grams per meal. But here's where it gets interesting. Your personal needs can vary significantly based on factors like age, gender, activity level, and fitness goals. While standard guidelines suggest 56 grams daily for adult men, many experts now recommend 1 gram per pound of body weight, or even up to 2 grams per kilogram, for muscle building. But here's the controversial part: timing matters too. While Western breakfasts often skimp on protein, some experts argue that front-loading your day with protein could be game-changing for appetite control and focus. Now, let's dive into those 7 game-changing strategies. 1. Embrace whole foods. While protein bars and shakes are convenient, nothing beats natural sources. Your body processes whole foods more efficiently, plus you get bonus nutrients. 2. Discover plant power. Here's what many people miss: plant proteins can be just as effective as animal sources for muscle building. Combine foods like tofu, chickpeas, and lentils for impressive protein content. 3. Upgrade your grains. Switch rice for quinoa and instantly double your protein intake. 1 cup provides 8 grams of protein, twice what white rice offers. 4. Create power pairs. Try this hack: mix Greek yogurt with protein powder for a protein-packed treat. Add nuts for extra nutrition and crunch. 5. Choose multitasking foods. Look for ingredients that deliver multiple nutrients. Fish offers protein plus healthy fats, while beans provide protein, fiber, and carbs. 6. Embrace seafood solutions. Don't overlook convenient options like flavored tuna packets or tinned salmon. They are protein-rich and packed with omega-3s. 7. Reinvent pasta night. The pasta aisle has evolved. Look for versions made from chickpeas, edamame, or lentils for a protein boost. But here's the key insight nutritionists want you to remember: variety isn't just about avoiding boredom, it's crucial for optimal nutrition. Each protein source brings its own unique nutrient profile to the table. What's your take on plant versus animal proteins? Have you tried any of these strategies? Share your experiences, and let's discuss which approaches work best for different lifestyles and goals. Remember, whether you're a meat lover, plant-based enthusiast, or somewhere in between, there's a protein-rich eating strategy that can work for you. The key is finding the right mix of options that fits your lifestyle, preferences, and nutritional needs.